Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to make your business website from scratch, even if you've never built a website before. By the end of this video, you'll know how to choose the right business website builder, set up your site, build out your core pages, make everything look professional, add features your business actually needs, connect a custom domain, and get your website showing up on Google. So let's go ahead and get started with step 1, choosing the right website builder for your business. Before you build anything, you need to pick the right platform. This is the most important decision you'll make because it determines how easy the rest of the process is going to be. A website builder is simply the tool you can use to design and publish your site. Some builders require you to write code, others are just drag and drop, meaning you can move text, images, and buttons around the page without touching any code. For this video, I'm going to be using Wix because it lets you build a professional website with no code and no design experience required. You just use a drag and drop editor, and you can start by using AI or from one of 2,000 plus professionally designed business ready templates. Whatever platform you choose, look for one that gives you design flexibility, built-in hosting, mobile support, and room to grow as your business grows. Once you've picked a platform, it's time to actually create your site. Go to wix.com and click Get Started to create your account. From there, you can answer a few questions about your business, like your industry, your goals, and what you want your website to do. The first option is to let AI build the site for you. Wix Harmony is Wix's AI website builder that generates a complete business-ready website from a single prompt, including pages, layout, and copy tailored to the specific type of business. That means you're not starting from a blank page, you're starting from a real site you can refine. The second option is to skip ahead and choose from over 2,000 website templates in the Wix template gallery. This works well if you already have a clear picture of what you want and just want a proven layout to customize. Either way, remember that whatever you get at this stage is just a starting point. The next step is to make it your own. Every business website needs a set core of pages to actually function. Let's go through them. Your homepage is the first impression. It should include a clear headline that says what your business does, who it's for, and a button that leads visitors to take the next step, whether that's booking a call, browsing services, or making a purchase. Your About page builds trust. Explain who you are, what your business stands for, and why someone should choose you over someone else. Your services page, or product page depending on your business, should clearly lay out what you offer with enough detail that a visitor understands the value without needing to ask. And the last core page would be a contact page because it should make it as easy as possible for someone to reach out to you. Include a contact form, your business email or phone number, and your location if it's relevant to your business. Depending on your industry, you may also want to add a portfolio page, a pricing page, or frequently asked questions sections. But now that your pages exist, let's talk about web design, because a site full of the right information can still lose visitors if it doesn't look trustworthy. Start with your logo. If you don't have one, keep it simple and legible. Then choose 2 or 3 brand colors and stick to them across every page. Pick 1 or 2 fonts, typically one for headlines and one for body text, and use them consistently. Mixing too many fonts and colors is one of the fastest ways to make your website look unprofessional. Finally, use high quality, consistent images throughout your site. A professional website doesn't need to be flashy, but it does need to feel consistent from page to page. And a website isn't just a digital brochure, it should actually help you run your business. That's where business solutions come in. If you take appointments, add online booking features so customers can schedule directly from your site instead of calling or emailing back and forth. Add contact forms to any pages where visitors might have a question, and consider adding live chat so you can actually respond in real time while the visitors are still on your site. Once those features are connected, everything flows into your Wix dashboard. This is where you can manage your website, your contacts, your orders, and your site's analytics all in one place. Before you publish, you want to connect a custom domain. This is a web address that matches your business instead of a free temporary URL. A custom domain makes your business look more established and makes your site easier for customers to find and remember. To connect a custom domain on Wix, in your dashboard or editor, you will see an option to connect a custom domain. Click that and follow the instructions to buy or connect a domain that you already own. If you want a more detailed step-by-step guide, I have a full video covering these steps, which you can check out in the description below. It is important to note that for you to connect a domain, you will need a premium plan. It'll walk you through the steps to get a premium plan. Just choose the option that works for you. But keep in mind that if you're using Wix Bookings, Wix Stores, or other business solutions where users need to pay or check out on your site, you will need a feature called Accept Payments. Once you have your premium plan and custom domain connected, you can go to the editor and press Publish in the top right. Publishing your website is a big milestone, but it's not the finish line. Now you need people to actually find your website, and that starts with SEO. SEO simply means you're optimizing your site to show up when someone searches for a business like yours on Google. Every site includes a built-in SEO setup checklist that walks you through the process step by step, from adding page titles and descriptions to submitting your site to Google. You'll also want to make sure that your website is mobile friendly, since most visitors will be finding you on their phones. Wix sites are built to automatically adapt to mobile, but it's always worth checking every page yourself before you consider yourself fully launched. But that's how you make a business website from start to finish. To recap, choose the right website builder, set up your site, build out your core pages, make sure that the design is consistent and professional, add the features your business needs, connect a custom domain, and optimize your site to get found on Google. If you're ready to create your business website on your own, head on over to Wix.com and get started today. If you feel like this video has helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials. And let me know in the comments below what kind of website you're building. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.